4 words changed my entire life. I'll do it anyway. Tired? I still showed up. Scared? I showed up. No support, no confidence, no clue what I was doing. I showed up anyway, because here's the truth. Your life doesn't change when things are perfect. It changes when you decide you're done waiting for the right moment. Most women are not lacking potential. They are lacking belief, energy, and someone who says, come, I'll walk with you. So if you've been watching quietly, you're feeling behind, you're feeling like time is running out, this is your sign to show up anyway. December is not the month to hide, it's the month to rise. If you are ready to take that first step, I'll walk with you the next 30 days. So go to digitaldollarswithleonie.com and let's start today, even if you don't feel ready.